All right, don't get out now.
I'm not planning to.
Remember, stay hidden.
Of course.
And no sudden moves.
Shh. Stop talking, man. They're gonna get suspicious.
Yeah. Damn, it smells like shit in here.
Shh. Keep your voice down.
Sure, but it smells really bad, man. Really bad.
Just suck it up and keep quiet.
Yeah. Still, the smell, man.
Shut up.
Okay, see what we have here. All right, looks good. Get out of the way.
Okay. Time to get rid of that guard now.
What are you doing? Get the hell back to work.
But can't you see there's a fight going on over there?
Where?
First time I've seen someone smile in here.
Yeah, it's because I'll be a free man this week.
That's great.
It is.
You got any family on the outside?
Nope. I'm just gonna get drunk and hit up the strip clubs.
But I'm guessing you can't do that for the rest of your life.
Why not? There are plenty of strip clubs out there.
All right then. Have fun.
I will.
I might be able to climb
Hey,
this
you
with
think it's
Vincent's
okay,
help.
what he just said?
What'd he say?
He said something about your mother, and let me tell you, it wasn't pretty.
Hey, asshole. You talking shit about my mom?
I don't give a shit about
What the fuck you say to me?
fucking mom.
Come on, get him up, come on, you little bitch.
What the hell? Break it up, guys.
I might
Stop.
be able to climb this with
Enough.
Vincent's help.
It's
Get out of
locked.
the way. Come on now. Get off each other. Stop.
It's locked.
I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help. I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help.
It's locked.
I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help. I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help. I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help. I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help.
Get out of my face, inmate.
I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help. I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help. I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help.
It's locked.
I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help.
Hey, get your own card.
Fine. Sorry.
I might be able to climb this with Vincent's help. There's the vent. Now we need to put the sheets into it.
Come on, hand me some sheets.
Yeah, I'm coming.
All right, that should do it.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Not a fan of heights?
Not really.
Let's hope these sheets will hold together then.
Well, what do you mean?
Well, it's sheets, not a rope. You never know.
Oh, shit. Ready to get down there?
Really? It's pitch black. We need a light.
Ah, fuck it. I'll go first.
You okay?
Yeah, we need a light, man. See if we can find some light.
Yeah.
How the hell did you end up there?
I just slid down a bit to the left.
What? It was all dark.
That's why we needed some light, Leo.
Smart ass, huh?
I'm concerned you think lighting up a dark area is smart.
Oh, god damn it. This water smells like shit. Ah!
Well, it is shit.
Are you being funny now?
No, I'm just stating facts. You're wading in actual shit.
Fuck you, man.